Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link a Nintendo account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Play Store apps according to your device and go on top and simply search Mario Kart Tour. Once you do that, you will find your Mario Kart Tour over here. If you can see, we have already installed it and we can find this option of play. Simply go ahead, tap on it, play. You can see Nintendo, you will first see. So apparently this game to operate and to be played, it actually requires and give you an opportunity for you to actually access and connect with Nintendo automatically. You don't have to go with any other steps, don't have to go find a particular settings. You can see right now we have Nintendo account on top, and you can see you must link your Nintendo account if you want to play Mario Kart Tour. Of course we want, so we tap on this next option below. So now it will open up in another tab for us in the browser section, which we will have to sign in with our Nintendo account. You can see if you do not, simply tap on create. If you do, simply tap on the sign in, and now simply enter the information of your Nintendo account over here, including your password. Tap on sign in. Once you sign in with your account over there, it will say that you have verified, you have confirmed it. You can go back to your game tab, and you can go back to your game tab and start playing with your Nintendo account connected. That is the simple process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.